Hi, I'm Mia Lundgren. I work as a creative director for IKEA in India, and I'm going to talk a little bit about URSPRUNGLIG, a textile collection that we have just recently created. This collection represents everything that we have learned in India. The collaboration we have had with our suppliers is absolutely amazing. We have worked with them for years. They have taught us so many things around how to work with textiles, how to really get the best quality. So IKEA is for the many people. When we work with the collection URSPRUNGLIG, we decided to work solely for India, to really meet the Indian customer. As we went along and we saw this result of flowers, patterns and colors, we realized everybody else wanted it too. So now we have decided to continue to work with this colorful way of adding textiles to the life at home. The people and planet agenda stands very, very high for us at IKEA. We can really say that we have a fantastic results with quality products that we can really stand behind. Colors, patterns, flowers and stripes. We will continue. This is just the start.